In this video, I will show you how to clear temporary files using command prompt in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Temporary files are not important and can take up space on your computer. Deleting them can free up storage and help your PC run a little smoother. I will explain the command step by step in very easy words. This method is fast, simple, and does not need any extra software. Watch till the end to clear your PC easily. Press Start button, then type CMD. Open CMD Run as administrator. Then type this command and hit enter. After process complete, restart your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.